Okay, this is really cute. I'm going to show you how to make your very own little wild robot with things you might already have around the house. To start out, flatten your paper towel roll and use a tin can to draw a circle on top. The trick here is to make the circle a little bit bigger than the paper roll so the sides stay connected. Carefully cut around the rounded lines with scissors. Now grab a milk or juice cap and trace a smaller circle onto some cardboard and carefully cut that out. Next, paint the paper roll in the circle white. This will be Roz's head and body. Fold 4 gray paper strips back and forth like an accordion. Grab a piece of paper and draw out 2 little robot feet and 2 round hands and carefully cut them out. Don't forget to stick around to see how cute this turns out at the very end. Okay, now this is the really fun part. Now you get to add all of the details like eyes and little buttons and all sorts of things. Now it's time to assemble our new little friend. Grab your favorite craft glue and start gluing on the hands and feet onto the gray strips. To make things a little bit easier, you might want to wait a couple minutes just to let things dry for a bit. Next, glue the legs to the bottom, arms to the side, and to finish off, attach the robot's head on top. All right, there you have it. Now you have your very own little mini wild robot. How cute is little Roz? Let me know in the comments if you're going to make this craft and what adventure she's going to go on.